Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So today we're going to do a fun hairdryer pour. This is a really fairly simple technique, but it does take a little bit of practice. And I'm doing this on a 14 by 14 inch canvas, and I'm actually kind of testing out a color combination for a larger canvas. So I'm gonna start off with some black as my base. All the paints I'm using are Mixed Media Girl pouring paints. And you can spread this around with a spatula, you can spread it around with your hand, or you can spread it around with the hairdryer. I'm gonna do that because it's gonna give me the most even coat. I'm using this on cold air, it's a Remington hairdryer. Cold air on low air to start with, and then I will go up to high air probably just to finish pushing it around. So here we go. All right, I've got a nice even base coat here. I am gonna just go with my finger around the side just to make sure I get full coverage of that black. You can also pre-paint your sides if you'd like. Before I put my colors down, I am gonna quickly torch this just to get rid of any air bubbles, just so that doesn't encroach on my design at all. All right, neons look fantastic with black. So I'm actually starting here with a neon purple. And I do have a kind of design pattern in my head. I'm really hoping that I can kind of translate this to the canvas. And then if this is successful, I'll go ahead and do it on a larger canvas. Here I've got a little bit of amethyst. I want this to be primarily purple, but I'm throwing some blues in here as well. So this is some Malibu Sky, a little bit of powder blue, and finally some royal purple, which is a nice and deep purple. I do want to also throw just a smidge of white in here. Okay, I think that is all I need. So I'm gonna go back in here with the hairdryer. I'm gonna start off with low air again and only put it up to high air if I feel like I need to get a little more force. So here we go. Okay, I think that's pretty perfect. I actually don't want to do more to this. I really like how it looks. If you want, you can always keep moving around with the hairdryer. It will blend your colors a little bit more. Additionally, if you want to have a little more concentrated air in certain spots, you can take a straw and just manually blow it out there. But I actually think this is pretty perfect as is. The amethyst here has given us some beautiful cells. And then over here, the whites and the lighter colors, that light blue gave us some gorgeous lacing. I'm really happy with this. So go ahead and let it dry. I think I will absolutely be using these colors on a larger canvas now that I've seen how this looks. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you all next time.